Yeah, hi. We are from SVSembedded. The project title name is IoT-based smart dustbin. So in this project, we are using an IoT-based smart dustbin ESP32 GSM SIM800L GPS location with SMS alert and email alert. In this project, we are using an power supply 0 to 9 volts power supply, and it converts to pure DC 5 volts output. And it should be connected to the ESP32 module, rover module, AI thinker board. So here we are getting the output. So using GSM SIM900 with SMS alert. GPS GY6MV2 GPS module, it is connected to the serial communication RX2 pin and serial communication 0 GSM. So ultrasonic sensor trigger and echo trigger is connected to the GPIO pin number 4, GPIO pin number 2, trigger and echo. Ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance of the garbage bin. So that should be displayed on the LCD. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5. These are GPIO pin numbers. 16 cross 2 LCD display. And output indicator, LED indicators are the empty, low, mid, full. So there are 4 LED indicators. Those are connected with the GPIO 14, 12, 13, 27 pin numbers. And this is total block diagram of the hardware kit. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using 0 to 9 volts and 1 ampere power source, and it should gives to here GSM module. Okay, so now here we inserted one SIM card. So that SIM card is Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSN, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, GSM SIM900 module. So if you want to insert the SIM card, press down, open the SIM card. Okay, so Airtel 4G SIM card I am using. Okay, so slowly insert the SIM card, and lock the SIM card. Upside lock, downside unlock. Lock the SIM card, unlock the SIM card. Unlock the SIM card means it should comes out. Okay, slowly insert it, then press it and lock. So GSM SIM900, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED. So this 9 volts power supply is utilizing for the 5 volt power supply board, ESP32 module, and GPS GY6MV2 GPS module. Okay, so here 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So empty, low, mid, full indicators. So this Wi-Fi hotspot module, ESP32 module, require the Wi-Fi hotspot internet. Okay, then open the mobile phone. Okay, so go to mobile data on, and as well as Wi-Fi hotspot should be on. So whenever a Wi-Fi hotspot on, press it. So the configuration is project and the password is project1234, name, SSID and the password. Okay, unlimited devices, number of devices is 8 devices. So this is our configuration. Wi-Fi module must and should it connected to the Wi-Fi module. That Wi-Fi module user ID password is small letter project and project1234. So whenever it established, the LCD will starts working. If the Wi-Fi module is not connected, then it will show you blank LCD. Okay, like that it will show. So whenever Wi-Fi hotspot module connected, so it will show you the Wi-Fi ESP32 Arduino board. Then LCD is IoT based smart dustbin. There is a enable button is there on the board. Okay, now I pressed the reset button. So it will disable and it will connect again. Okay, ESP32 Arduino. So user ID project and password is project1234. So ESP32 GSM SIM900 in GPS module. Latitude value, longitude value, GPS is continuously blinking perfectly. Okay, initializing GSM modem. Initialized successfully. Go to the website. Okay, empty, so there is no. Okay, so after every 10 counts of data, server should be updated with low. Okay, so now it is low bin. Okay, so ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so total empty bin. So now I am inserting the dust low. Okay, okay, 10%. 25%. Okay, whatever is coming, it should be updated continuously. So in this mobile phone, mobile data on as well as Wi-Fi hotspot on. Okay, then only it is updating the data. Okay, 10%. Okay, 70% full. Okay, 70% full. So now if you are going to check, if you want to receive it, there should be a flat. Okay, and up should be flat for a 3 centimeter distance. Okay, dustbin. Okay, yeah, dustbin 4 5 to 1 to 5 in between, all LEDs are full. So here dustbin also updated. Once SMS will send, you see it is sending the SMS alert to the predefined mobile number, and SMS alert as well as email alert also. Okay, after that it will update slow. Every 5 counts it will update. Sending SMS to my mobile number is second number, first number is student number, second number my number. We will receive one SMS alert here. Message sent. So we are getting the SMS alert and we are getting the email alert also. So once again we will check. So now dustbin, so it will update 70%. Okay, 70%, 70%, 70%. Okay, now I am going to add some particles. Okay, second time testing. Okay, so final part is it should be close to ultrasonic sensor 2 to 3 centimeters below. Okay, okay, latitude value, longitude value. Okay, sending SMS 1. Message sent. Garbage bin full. Okay, garbage bin full, and we will get the email alert also. Sending SMS 2. Okay, and this is our block diagram. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded. Smart dustbin ESP32 and SMS alert. Okay.